Hi everyone! I got a special unboxing for you today. It's a new Citizen bike and I got the Tokyo version of it and it came in the mail yesterday, but we're not opening it till today. So here we go. This is pretty durable actually coming in the mail. There wasn't any like rips or holes or anything. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Wow. Wow. Check it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's see. So just cardboard and stuff in there. Check it out. And look at these socks. Yes, they came free with the order. So nice little socks. Oh, and thanks to our newest citizen. Welcome to going and being human. Nice. So it looks like it has a link to download the manual and stuff, but I already looked at it online because they sent it easier. Okay. So let's start unwrapping. It looks like everything's pretty much assembled. Look at these little tires. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're baby tires. They are. They padded everything pretty well. There's styrofoam, there's bubble wrap, and some styrofoam that was in the box to hold it also. So it didn't look like it jiggles around too much. Look at all this stuff. Excuse my sniffling, it's not used to this New York weather apparently, coming from California. All this blooming and springtime is wreaking havoc on my sinuses. So, look at that seat! Wow, that's a nice seat. This is actually the original seat. So that is actually, yeah, this is the original. So it might actually be comfortable. Wow! Right? So I was thinking of getting a comfort saddle, but I wanted to see how this seat was. And it looks fairly nicely padded also. So I'll have to think about that. We'll see. So it looks like the only thing that's not assembled is this part. The seat. We'll see how that goes. I love the color of it. It's beautiful. I was thinking of going with that pink. Oh, the handlebars haven't been put in either. It's got a little, I think all the bikes get this little. I didn't know that. Yeah, they all do. Oh my god, so cool. Or buying other bikes online, we'd have to get it tuned, take it to a shop to get it tuned, but with Citizen, they tune it for you and they ship it, so you don't have to do that. So that's like an added, if you were to do it on your own, an added cost of like $60 to $90 depending on where you go. But they do it for you for free. So another thing, these pedals fold in. Look at that. That's awesome. Well, maybe I didn't do that. Oh. Okay, we'll have to figure that one out. I don't. Be careful.
The reflectors.
Pinched. Oh, push. Push in. Push the whole thing in. Wow.
Nice.
Look, when it closes.
Oh, sweet.
But probably still will need the straps to hold it closed so it doesn't open up. Cool.
Awesome. Very.
Now I am. So here's the rack that I came with, that I bought with it. It doesn't actually come with it unless you order it. That's an extra. The fenders do come with it though. They do also come with the reflectors. Here's one in the front.
I can't wait to get.
And then there's one in the back. Pretty cool. So thanks for watching our unboxing of the Citizen Tokyo. Come back later. I'm gonna do a little review of how it is. So you can come back and watch later and watch that video. And then come back and see other videos of unboxings that I do of everything.